Nasiba byose nyine cya bitanu nyine cya rukaga ne cya rushanje
nyine sente
nyone njango musanwa batabine gwenje kotine gwenje no jangu nargo mukakwije hatuguze bicori just nkwe cyabusha ebyabusha no behebwa nyoko gendo zo wanyoka ze kwe cyabusha wahurira ngo nyende cyo cyabusha ngo maze biro bibiri ntari no hor kuza kwe cyori cyabusha tari nyoko gendo wanyoka kwe cyori
ale kankuhereze je koti yanje kunkonsasiro mpereza atchori
de chikoti
jara yamani
ashino za kumpa chikoti ngo kinyo chikoti nchiteke ushano teke nkito zawe jurora kusi jurora leta mpane ko tujura mate chiri yawe nonde shichori ndishcho
kawajangu nompe chori
tore chori nonyebaza chiroko nonyuchiza bushamu nondiga shiroko jende Nashabe shchori chabusha chone byabusha hapira kurganka jwareje kotshi enkito ha nagagwantine nankito zo murenda ha nafune enkito agwe shchori charushanja enseji nafune chi nane chikoti cyo kujwara
nishobora gutwarwa mesi nishashoberwa nindonda nyakwendo brother mutamba nimanyugije urukurugaheru washange ntaruho konka ko rigezaho kundonda ukashanga ngo nkafa bambi mukama kugumye tata we bambe yamawe kwara batararugirwe mama akakora rose kushwerwa tata byafanduma rebe mishegabire nenda kundya nagihunga kandi ubu byafanduma ruho nandeba nishobora gutwarwa amezi nishashoberwa nindonda nyagwendo brother mutamba nimanyoresha urukurugaheru washange ntaruho konka ko rigezaho kundonda ukashanga ngo nkafa bambi mukama kukunye tata we bambe yamawe kwari abatararugirwe mama akakora rose kugabashwirwe tata byafanduma rebe bishegabiri neyenda kundya nagihunga kandi ubu tata
Oh, sweetheart, welcome back.
Oh, you're welcome. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
How's your day?
Fine.
It's okay? Oh, how's your drive?
Very fine, how are you?
The day has been so tiresome. As I was coming.
It's like we are having a visitor, isn't it?
Yes, nabona umwana w'imburabure namushango kwa rwuto namureta ngo abere ni
Mwana. Okumwana.
N'umwana.
Ati iwe amagezi gawo ngakolekera ke munoti wakuvulinga ngo kumwana muto.
Oguno mwana.
Mukazi wawe umutwekere kiche kigenda mezi.
Excuse me. This is not my wife or something else, but is the person who needs our help.
Ahubwo mukazi mukuru na mabere ngasusu wangu mwana. Is she a girl?
She's a girl. What are you talking about?
Excuse me, young lady.
Madam,
Come out, come.
you see that person?
See your husband.
Madam, calm down.
Have you been cheating on me? No, have you been cheating on me? Is this a younger lady?
No, this is the person who needs our help.
Just take a very good look at you. Is this a younger lady?
Ogunemburabure.
Nango. Excuse me. Excuse me. This is my house.
My wife, this is life. It can be you, it can be me. This person needs our help.
Go. I don't want her in my house. No.
No, I thought you are a kind person. You are not a Christian. Huh?
Yamawe komutale nikushaba sasire nyowe chichandenga Yamawe komutale nikushaba sasire nyowe chichandenga
Kamukazi echiwa kolachi